Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do an accordion walkaround. Knowing how to do an accordion already would be really helpful, but apart from that there's nothing you really need to already know. I'll put a link to the accordion clip in the description below so it's easy and quick for you to find it if you want to go back and have a look. Jumping straight in, and obviously with the walkaround, how long you do it for is up to you. So the quick version looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Now you could finish that a different way. You could finish it and end in accordion again. I just did a return out, but there's choices. So let's break it down. Starts off right to right, semicircle back. So standard entering accordion, we're offering the ladies the left hand, the ladies can't reach it, we come in, we collect the hand, we take the left over the lady, the right over the lady. So one piece of an accordion. From here, we're going to turn the lady in a turn direction. So we're going to go right over the lady, left over the lady. And as we do that, guys, we're going to walk forwards to the right, turning to the left. We're going to take the right hand across the lady to make sure she's looking forwards to where she was. We're going to have the left hand in front of us, and we're actually going to bring the lady's arm down so her arm meets our elbow. So we're actually making this little frame, these two loops in front, but the two loops are connected. And that means we can use the hand and the right arm to start the lady walking forwards easily, and the guys walk backwards. So we're walking the lady in a circle. You can do that as long as you like. And once you've got the lady round as far as you want to go, for as long as you want to go, all I'm doing is starting carrying forwards. She's already going forwards. I just let it go straight and I lead a return and switch into my other hand or not, as the case may be at the end. So let's break that down and think numbers. We go semicircle back and offer 1, return 2, look 3, turn 4, preparation 5, then walking 6, 7, 8, returning 1, and finish 2. Okay, obviously how long you walk for is up to you. So let's try it. Here we go. 5, 6, accordion, walk around. We go offer, return, look, turn, prep, walk, 2, 3, return, and you're done. That's it, the whole thing, just like that. Music recommendation at the end, a tune that would be nice for you to practice this to will come up in the windows in the last few seconds of the video. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. That helps promote everything we do, helps promote the move as well. So thank you to everybody who does that. So thank you if you subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.